Top best online educators in India. Number 1, Baiju Ravindran. Baiju Ravindran is an entrepreneur and the founder of Byju's, an online learning platform that offers interactive video lessons and personalized learning experiences for students. Byju's has gained popularity in India for its engaging approach to teaching various subjects, including mathematics and science. Number 2, Khan Academy. India. Khan Academy is a non-profit organization that provides free educational content across various subjects. Khan Academy India focuses on tailoring the content to meet the needs of Indian students and covers subjects such as mathematics, science, history, and more. Number 3, Anant Agarwal. Anant Agarwal is a computer scientist and entrepreneur. He is the founder and former CEO of edX, an online learning platform offering courses from prestigious universities and institutions. edX provides access to high-quality education to learners around the world. Number 4, Dr. Ashok Kumar Goel. Dr. Ashok Kumar Goel is a professor of computer science at Georgia Tech. He is known for developing Jill Watson, an artificial intelligence teaching assistant, to help students in his online course. Number 5, Ravishankar Baliga. Ravishankar Baliga is an educator and mentor on the Unacademy platform. Unacademy is one of India's largest online learning platforms, offering courses for various competitive exams, including UPSC, SSC, banking, and more. Number 6, Naveen Reddy. Naveen Reddy is the founder of Free Code Camp, a non-profit organization that offers free coding courses and projects. Free Code Camp's curriculum covers web development, front-end and back-end programming, and data visualization, among other topics. Number 7, Ritesh Agarwal. Ritesh Agarwal is an entrepreneur and the founder of OYO Rooms, a leading hospitality company. Apart from his business ventures, Ritesh Agarwal launched the OYO Learning app, which aims to provide affordable and quality education to students in India. Number 8, Dr. Shashi Tharoor. Dr. Shashi Tharoor is an Indian politician, author, and former international diplomat. He is known for his expertise in international relations and has delivered numerous enlightening talks and lectures on various topics. Number 9, Ankur Warikoo. Ankur Warikoo is an entrepreneur and motivational speaker. He co-founded Nearby, a platform that offers deals and discounts on various services. Ankur Warikoo is also known for his insightful talks on entrepreneurship.